If you had $1,000 right now, would you save it, spend it, or invest it? What you do with that $1,000 could shape your life in 5 years. Some people will turn it into a fortune. Others might lose it while trying to make quick gains. A few will do nothing and let time erode their opportunity. The truth is, you don't need millions to start building wealth. You need the right mindset, a plan, and the discipline to start small today. This is your guide to turning $1,000 into your first step toward financial freedom in 2025. The mindset before the money. Before you invest any money, you must grasp something that many people overlook. Wealth starts with intention, not just money. That $1,000 is just a tool, but your mindset about it determines your future. Most people view money as something to spend. Wealthy individuals view it as something to plant. Think of every dollar as a seed. You can enjoy it now for a moment, or you can plant it, nurture it, and let it grow into something much larger. This is why 80% of people remain stuck. They chase fast results, quick profits, and overnight success while forgetting that steady growth outpaces luck every time. So before we explore where to put your $1,000, say this to yourself: I am not here to get rich quickly. I'm here to get rich for sure. Certainty comes from knowledge, not luck. The foundation, building safety before growth. Every great investor prioritizes protection over profit. Think of your financial journey as building a house. The first step isn't the roof, it's the foundation. That foundation is your emergency fund. Before you invest, save at least 3 months' worth of living expenses, even if it takes time. Life will throw challenges your way, so you don't want to be forced to sell your investments in a panic. This step alone distinguishes the disciplined from the desperate. Once your safety net is in place, your $1,000 transforms into your freedom fund. This is where your journey truly begins. Step 1. Invest in yourself. The best investment isn't stocks or cryptocurrencies, it's in yourself. If your $1,000 vanished tomorrow but your skills doubled, you would have gained the most valuable return of all, the ability to earn again. Use part of that money, perhaps $100 or $200, to learn. Take a course in investing, finance, or even side hustles. Buy books like The Intelligent Investor or Rich Dad Poor Dad. Knowledge grows just like money, and it isn't affected by inflation. When you invest in your mind, you won't make the same mistakes that 90% of people make by investing blindly. Step 2. The power of the stock market. Now, let's discuss how that $1,000 can grow. The stock market is the best wealth-building tool in history. It rewards patience and time. Forget trying to guess which stock will rise tomorrow. Focus on index funds and ETFs. They are simple, diverse, and proven. For instance, the S&P 500 ETF, like VOO or SPY, has historically provided about 10% returns each year. This means that your $1,000, left untouched for 20 years, could grow to over $6,700 without any extra effort. Now imagine you add just $100 every month. Suddenly, it's not $6,700 anymore, it's over $65,000 in 2 decades. That's the power of compound interest, consistent and unstoppable. You don't need to predict the future, you just need to take part in it. Step 3. Explore fractional investing and diversification. In 2025, you don't need lots of money to own stocks. Platforms like Robinhood, Webull, and Fidelity allow you to buy fractional shares, enabling you to invest as little as $10 in companies like Apple, Tesla, or Google. This is how everyday people build portfolios worth thousands, one $10 bill at a time. Here's how you could break down your $1,000. $700 into an S&P 500 ETF for safe, long-term growth. $200 into individual stocks or sectors you believe in, like technology or renewable energy. $100 into a high-yield savings account or money market fund for flexibility. Diversify. Balance risk. Let time do the heavy lifting. Real wealth isn't built in a day, it's built daily. Step 4. Passive income investments. What if your money could generate more money for you, even while you sleep? That's the essence of passive income investing. This can include dividend stocks that pay you quarterly, real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or REITs, or even peer-to-peer lending where your money helps others and earns interest. Every dollar that earns while you rest is a dollar working for you. The rich don't work for money, they make their money work for them. Step 5. Avoid these 3 costly mistakes. As you start investing, remember that success is about what you avoid just as much as what you do. 1. Don't chase trends. If it seems too good to be true, it usually is. 2. Don't panic sell. The market rewards patience. 3. Don't stop learning. When you stop growing, your money does too. Avoiding mistakes leads to profits. The bigger picture, from $1,000 to financial freedom. You might think $1,000 is a small amount, but every significant journey starts with a small step. Apple began in a garage. Amazon started as a bookstore. Your financial freedom could start with a single decision involving $1,000. Investing isn't just about money, it's about believing your efforts today will create the future you want. So start now. Start small. Start with purpose. 5 years from now, you'll look back at this moment and realize that this was the day everything changed. If this has inspired you, remember that knowledge grows faster when shared. Share this with someone who needs to hear it today. If you're ready to continue building wealth, subscribe, because your journey to financial freedom is just beginning.